This is the new Macro Lens Mod. Hey yo, what's up? This is Ron, and today I'm going to be taking you on a culinary voyage to one of the most iconic hawker centers in Singapore. While we're at it, you're going to have a first-hand look at the all-new HERO13 Black. Check this out. This is the all-new Macro Lens Mod. How cool is that? How cool is that? For the first time ever, GoPro is introducing a close focus wide-angle lens with variable focus distance, making this the perfect lens option to take along with me for my gastronomic adventure. Come, let's go! What's cool about a macro lens is that it gives you this elevated vlogging look with the ability to capture close-up shots for that depth of field effect on a GoPro. One of the things that I love about the HERO13 Black is the auto lens detection feature. It automatically sets your camera to optimize its modes and settings to the selected lens. In this instance, the Macro Lens Mod. What that means is that it eliminates the need to manually select the lens option in the camera drop-down menu, taking out all the guesswork. Now, talk about an intuitive interface. Here is a pro tip for using the Macro Lens Mod. With the rotating lens ring, you will be able to manually change the focus distance of the lens from 4 inches to 2 feet. What that means is that I'll be able to capture all that close-up shots of my food to my expressions eating it. This is going to be so fun. So fun! And to help guide you, the new focus peaking feature will be displayed on the LCD screen to provide confirmation that the intended subject is completely in focus. Now, that is dope. That is dope. Alright, that's enough chat. It's time to discover the taste of Singapore. Let's go! Check out how cool the magnetic mounting system is on HERO13 Black. That's it! That's it! It's that easy to mount it. Look at that! That's it! Alright, time to do some vlogs on the road. Located in the East Coast Lagoon Food Village is the only beachside hawker center in Singapore, and it is home to some of the island's best food. Today, I'm gonna be taking you to some of my favorite food. Let's go! Let's go! Alright, get ready to be in for a treat. Alright y'all, this is it. We made it to East Coast Lagoon Food Village. You guys are going to be in for a treat. Come, let's go! And that's a wrap. That's a wrap. I hope that you've enjoyed this short little food vlog with me here in Singapore and learned a thing or two about the new GoPro Macro Lens Mod. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Until then, I'll see you next time. Yo!